What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. And today we are going to autocross the Miata. So I've got about a 50-ish minute drive out to Yoder, Kansas. We're gonna make sure the car makes it there. We're gonna beat on it and then hopefully drive it home. So let's see how we do compared to a bunch of other prepared autocross cars versus this completely bone stock, all season tired, not performance alignment stock Miata. Will we be completely last or will we do better than last? We'll see. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we made it here. Now there's one last thing we need to do to make this a real race car instead of just a street car, and I'll cut to that now. All right, so now it's a real race car because it has numbers on it, and of course that's what makes a race car a race car. So we're gonna do a quick walk down, see what kind of cars are out here, and then we're gonna go out, walk the course, see how it is, and then hopefully get ready to run this thing. Well, guys, so far it is not looking good. We are obviously the most under-prepared car here. I'm not even seeing another car that we could possibly have a chance of getting close to. So we may be pulling up the bottom of the pack, but hey, we'll still be having fun out sliding around. But just so you guys can kind of see the range of the grid here, we've got cars gridded up and ready, and then the other side of the paddock area. All right, guys, so this is the first official run here of the Miata. We took our parade lap, and it was, even at the parade lap speeds, it was a lot of slipping and sliding. I've got Jesse, my buddy here, riding along to keep the power nice and evenly balanced on this high performance piece of machinery, but we are on all seasons, so it's going to be probably a handful, but we will see. I don't even know, will we be to third gear, will it just be second? I have no idea. Have not autocrossed a low power car since my Volkswagen a hot minute ago, so, and it at least had autocross tires on it, but we will see what we can do as I'm looking at the windshield frame, which probably isn't great for visibility. All right, we are almost gonna be released. Maybe we are getting the horsepower ready here, and we're still waiting. It's aggressive. We're going. Oh boy, lots of wheel speed, lots of horsepower, and foot on the floor. I don't know when you're supposed to shift in a Miata. Oh my god, it's so slidey. Oh, the back sliding, the front sliding, all the sides are sliding at the same time. My foot is on the floor in second, and it's not really doing much. Okay, foot on the floor. We are slowly, oh my god, we already got a cone. Oh boy. Oh heavens to Betsy. We are sliding like mad. I don't know. It does not grip like the Camaro. There's a lot of things happening. Oh my, it's just a very waggy car. We're gonna let it grip, collect itself, roll on throttle. It actually isn't understeering that bad. Oh boy, it will step out though. Oh my god. Oh dear. The car does not know. The brakes feel really, really good. Oh gosh, guess we're going on the left side. Oh my gosh. There was a lot of things happening. So guys, unfortunately my audio did not pick up on any of my runs after that first run, so you don't get to hear me yelling, screaming, doing all of those things that happened in the first run, but know that, yeah, that all happened in all of them because the car was ridiculously funny, sliding all over the place. But
I did slowly kind of get better. I made about 3 runs with Jesse there in the car, and then finally my 4th run I ran without him and did pick up a second or so. I don't know if it was the weight in a nice small car made that much of a difference, or I was just kind of finally learning how to drive the thing, but ended up with I believe a 73-second run, and that was at least enough to make me not completely last in the E Street Miata. So I did at least not completely come in dead last. So that was kind of a good thing. But like I said, car felt good. Everything went well as it could. It was a lot of fun slipping and sliding. Now for my last run, Dad was out there running the BRZ, so I actually threw the camera gear into the BRZ and made my 5th run in the BRZ. So that was kind of fun, jumping out of the Miata and immediately getting into the BRZ now and feeling what considerably, almost double the horsepower. This car is on some nice autocross tires and obviously a nice new modern chassis on how much more collected, composed, all of those good words you want in a car. But it was quite a difference jumping back and forth between the two, because as I come around this, the back end steps out with power. I'm counter steering, catching it, but it just felt considerably more powerful, obviously because it's almost double the horsepower. And I believe this is the first time I've ever ran the BRZ in anger on an autocross course, and it is a really, really awesome chassis. Feels great, turns well, accelerates well, does everything obviously you want it to do on a nice small tight course. So it was a lot of fun getting to hoon this thing around on my last run, since I had kind of, I think, made as much improvements as I could with the Miata on, obviously, all seasons with no prep otherwise. So it was fun jumping into the BRZ with no seat time and getting to thrash this thing around. But like I said, unfortunately didn't get any audio of me yelling and screaming, but that's how the GoPro life goes. One little yank on the cord and it's not fully seated and you're done for the day. But had fun, and that's all that counts. Well guys, I am done for the day here at Autocross. Had fun with the car. It didn't break. Of course, we didn't have very good times because we had very tired all-season tires that had no grip out here. But still, we had fun. Didn't break. And it was kind of fun jumping immediately into the Subaru and getting to run that and feeling what a lot more power felt like and some good tires with grip. But guys, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.